Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of plant pathology. Let us discuss the disease citrus canker disease. It is a disease of international importance because citrus is grown in every state of the world. And the canker disease, it is one of the very serious disease which is more destructive. Let us see what is the requirement for the practical purpose of citrus canker disease. We require only medium specimen of citrus canker and a magnifying lenses. Actually, this disease is visible. We can see the symptoms on the leaf and on any other part of the lemon plant which are visible, even though we can use the lens for more observation, more clear observation. What we have to do for this practical, how we have to perform this practical? Just we have to examine the specimen under the microscope or through the magnifying lens, because practically by hand we don't want to do anything. Just we have to observe the specimen, because the pathogen which causes citrus canker disease, that is the bacterial pathogen, and in your practical there is no need of isolation. As per the syllabus, there is no need of isolation of citrus canker pathogen. Therefore, just you have to observe the material, infected plant material, and you have to write the symptoms and regarding the details of Xanthomonas citrus. This type of practical is there in our syllabus, and observe the when you observe the specimen, you keenly observe the specimen and note the details. Okay. Next. Let us see the classification. Observation. When you see under microscope, it is not possible to see the exactly structure of the bacterium. But you should know, because we have already studied the theory, and all the practicals are connected with theory syllabus. You know the details of the pathogen, that is, it is the obligate parasite pathogen. Obligate parasite means that grow this pathogenic organism which grows only on the living host plant. Which is the pathogen? Pathogen is citrus canker disease is caused by Xanthomonas citrus. Xanthomonas citrus, it is a bacterial pathogen and it is a obligate parasite. Obligate parasite means that grows only on the living host, that is called obligate parasite. The symptoms are visible. And the pathogen, shape of the pathogen, it is rod shaped. Rod shaped shape of the pathogen we can observe in permanent slide of the Xanthomonas citrus. And it has a single polar flagellum. It is a aerobic bacterium. Why it is called aerobic bacterium? Because it requires oxygen for its growth. In presence of oxygen it grows. Therefore it is a aerobic bacterium. Okay. And it is a gram negative bacterium. The gram stain is not absorbed by the bacterium. Therefore it is a gram negative bacterium. And the bacterium has the genome length approximately 5 mbp. Okay. Next. Which type of symptoms are caused by the pathogen? The pathogen causes symptoms on the plant. Entire plant except root system that get affected by the pathogenic organism. And the citrus is a plant, it is a perennial plant that remains in the field for year after year, and the pathogen produces the hard pustules which are corky, and these pustules are most prominent on lower surface of the leaf. And in severe cases of disease development, you can observe the symptoms on fruit skin and a cankerous growth. This type of corky spots which are formed on the stem, leaf, thorn and twigs, even on the fruits. Those corky spots are described as cankerous spots. Hence, the disease is described as, named as canker disease. And during severe conditions, tender stems, even twigs may show symptoms of canker disease. And symptoms are slightly raised, brown in color, cork-like, and the spots show cracks. All the mature spots get cracked and cracks are formed in the spot. This is a specific characteristic feature of the canker disease. And the spots which occur on the lemon fruits are restricted up to skin only. They do not affect the quality of the juice of the fruit. But in the market, such fruits are of low quality. These are difficult to sold in the market. Okay, next. These are the symptoms of canker disease, which is caused by the pathogenic bacterium which is known as Xanthomonas citri, and host is lemon plant. This is all about practical. Even during practical, just you have to observe the citrus canker, because in your syllabus, as per the syllabus of UGC, only observation of this pathogen has given. There is no instruction of isolation of this pathogen. Okay, and just you have to observe the specimen. You have to write all the details of the pathogen as well as the pathogenic organism. Okay, next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.